Chapter 11. The Brave Little Kite. Learning Objectives. 1. Beyond hardships lies a huge world of happiness and peace. 2. Being brave and trying new things even when scared. I never can do it, the little kite said as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. Try, said the big kite, only try. Or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I'm afraid I'll fall. The big kite nodded. Ah, well, goodbye. I am off. And he rose toward the tranquil sky. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the side, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. First whirling and frightened, then braver grown, up he rose through the air alone. Till the big kite, looking down, could see the little one rising steadily. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side, while far below he could see the ground and the boys like small dots moving round. They rested high in the quiet air, and only the birds and clouds were there. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried. The poem by Catherine Pyle. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Why was the little kite scared? Answer. The little kite was scared because it was afraid to fall. 2. Why was the little kite thrilled with pride? Answer. The little kite was thrilled with pride because it was sailing with the big kite side by side. 3. What could the little kite see from the sky? Answer. The little kite could see the boys on the ground looking like small dots moving round. Find their meaning. 1. Stirred, to move slightly. 2. Rose, to rise upwards. 3. Tranquil, quiet and peaceful. 4. Frightened, full of fear or worry. Fill in the blanks. 1. The poet is talking about a little kite that was afraid to fly in the sky. 2. The name of the poet is Catherine Pyle. 3. We all see kites flying in the sky. 4. The little kite overcome its fear. Tick the right options. 1. The little kite said that he could never A. Run, B. Walk, C. Fly. Answer. C. Fly. 2. The big kite advised him to only A. Cry, B. Try, C. Fly. Answer. B. Try. 3. The little kite was afraid of A. Falling, B. Flying, C. Learning. Answer. A. Falling. 4. The big kite rose toward the dash sky. A. Blue, B. Tranquil, C. Stormy. Answer. B. Tranquil. 5. The trembling little kite shook himself free for A. Night, B. Competition, C. Flight. Answer. C. Flight. 6. What did the kites see high up in the sky? A. Birds, B. Clouds, C. Bows. Answer. C. Both. Match the following. Adjectives for character. 1. Angry, contented, cheerful, disgusting. 2. Mad, calm, colorful, wrinkled. 3. Furious, happy, greedy, enormous. 4. Bad, satisfied, mean, broad. 5. Evil, merry, selfish, large. 6. Bold, joyful, lazy, big. Communication, writing skills. Personification is a figure of speech in which an object, an idea, or an animal is given human qualities. Green kite, hi, who are you? Red kite, hi, I'm a kite. Why do you ask? Green kite, hi, who are you? Red kite, hi, I'm a kite. Why do you ask? Reading skills. Read the lines from the poem and answer the following questions. 1. Only try or I fear you never will learn at all. A. Who said this and to whom? B. What did the speaker want the listener to try? C. What was the speaker's fear? What was the learner's fear? 2. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the side. A. What sight stirred the little kite? B. How did he react to it? C. What happened soon after? Listening and speaking skills. Think of some special days when we fly kites. Talk to your partner and find out about the festivals celebrated in our country by flying kites.